Hi there. Today we're going to be installing the Brondell Simple Spa bidet. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to install and how even somebody like me can do it. Somebody who literally has a hard time changing a light bulb. And then I'm going to do a demonstration of how it works. So here's everything we have that we need. We have the rings that will help us adapt it to the toilet size. We've got the T-valve. I've already put in the washer. We've got a hose to connect the bidet nozzle to the water supply. And we've got some of these strips to help control the water. It doesn't leak out around the screws. So the first thing we're going to do is turn off the water to the toilet and empty the toilet. And now we're going to remove the toilet seats. So now that the toilet seat's removed, we're going to install the Brondell over here. And to do that, we need to install the rings. We're going to snap these guys into place. Okay, so I've now reinstalled the toilet seat above the bidet by putting this through the discs and sliding the seat back in place. Make it good and tight. Now we're going to do the plumbing. So the first thing we're going to do is unhook the water source from the back tank. Ready to catch the water if a lot of water comes out. Okay. And now we're going to put the T-valve. Okay, so that is now on, so we're going to reattach the water supply. So now we've got the water supply hooked up and the T-valve hooked up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to attach the hose between the T-valve and the Brondell. We are going to save so much money on toilet paper. This is going to be awesome. All right, let's see what happens if we turn the water supply back on. Oh, so you can hear it filling the tank. And there's the bidet. We'll let it fill up the tank, and then we'll take it for a test ride. Okay, so let's see what happens. We turn the valve. Okay, I just got sprayed, but that's okay. Oh. Another successful home improvement project.